Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome back. Richard and I wanted to show you the progress on our den. We finally have some furniture in the room, which we happily transported from our apartment in New York, which was no longer needed for business. The sofa, the ottoman, the club chairs, and the little drinks table all come from Pottery Barn. We really love them. We loved them in New York, and we actually love them in this room as well. They're very flexible pieces and have helped us stay on budget by keeping us from buying new furniture for this room. The sofa is very comfortable. It's a nice size for taking a nap as well, watching television. We love how the ottoman, even though it reads as one piece, actually can be separated into 3 pieces. I think you can see that below. So if we have larger gatherings, we have extra seating in that regard. The club chairs are from the farmhouse collection, and I really love them. I think they look both casual but modern at the same time, and traditional. I love the sloping backs. The artwork we chose for this room all has special meaning to us, a lot of sentimental value, if anything else. This block print of the fox and grapes, one of Aesop's fables, was given to us when we moved into our home in Los Angeles, actually. And I really love it. I've always loved it. It was one of my grandmother's favorites, so I really appreciate that she gave it to us to welcome us to our then new home. Makes me think about her. The painting over the fireplace was a gift from our dear friend Tim, who found it on the streets of Paris and then packed it and brought it all the way home to Los Angeles to gift to us. So that also holds a lot of sentimental value in our hearts. We miss him. The painting on the back wall is a particular favorite of ours as well. It is actually a painting of my mother riding a pony when she was a little girl. It was painted by my dear Aunt Louise, and I just absolutely love it. It captures the joy in my mother that was omnipresent, and I just can't think of anything better to have in a room where we spend so much time. We spend a lot of time in here watching movies. Unfortunately, our TV is somewhat small at the moment, and we plan to buy a larger TV that we can mount on the wall. But that's in the future. Budget. The word I hate and respect at the same time. We managed to find those vents that Richard found for the other rooms in white, which we thought would be better for this room, in particular because of the white wainscoting. Once again, Richard has attached a link in the bio to Amazon, so if you would be interested in upgrading your vents, you may want to consider this, and you can go directly to the link. We will keep you posted as we make further updates to this room. We are working on something for the mantelpiece, at the moment, and as soon as that gets completed and installed, we will show you in a new video, along with other improvements along the way. So, hope your Sundays are filled with magic and wonderment. We thank you so much for following along with us and taking the journey, and we look forward to showing you future improvements soon. Take care.